them are picnic at the yard. And them are picnic Jayden did a little girl when they say stick to Jayden like a glue. I think them are little daughter that. So for the hyena, them tell Jayden say the hyena go pick up Jayden. Jayden and the hyena no talk like that. Jayden the last time Jayden see the hyena when Jayden got the a Spider-Man baby shower. But Romain, a boy will come there every now and then because his daughter was there also. So it's Romain or Demar go pick him up. And who can confirm that to us is the little girl that get the umbrella from Jayden. And when the man tell her the relationship where him and the crocodile have, no, you can take from that and say yes. That relationship there, Jayden will lend for him daughter the umbrella because him tell me how Jayden are gonna be this big top notch person and him are gonna make them happy and rich. And how the crocodile love him. And Christmas gone, him get hush money. I mean, sorry, not hush money, him get birthday money. Him talk your time out, you know. Him coming at the box, come talk it out time out. Say all Christmas gone, me get me nice present, me get me hush money. I'm sorry guys, not hush money. Me get me present money. Him say it out time out. Yeah. No man, I miss. I never hush money inside present money. You understand? And you have somebody where you and them are come from far and love them so much. And for them niece and nephew disappear, them twin brother pitney, and you don't feel say you can ask them and say, yo, Crooks, what happened? You know, if you say we have to go drain the swamp because we can't find Jayden. So we need to drain the swamp. You are going to tell me, say, you know, feel say your place. You have 5 children. And you don't think say your place for ask. I think say hush money a birthday present. He say every extra Christmas gonna get at least then hush money and birthday present still. But what may I say is that, guys, let me tell you something. Let me tell you this right now. You see, when they come to Pitney, me fast and inquisitive. Bad. Me, when they come to Pitney, me very fast and inquisitive. Me see me I walk through the mall. And me telling you the story the other day. Me I walk through the mall and me saw a little baby about 2 or 3 years old and ball out her eye. And me go over there, genuinely go over there, so I'm to her why she about say them all. Me genuinely and my life walk over there and ask the Baba say, what's up? What happened? And the baby tell me say, the lady who did there, but never did know at the time, say her grandmother, say you don't buy no chicken. And me take out 20 pounds and give the baby and tell her say, yo, oi, make sure say them buy your chicken, you know. Make sure send them buy your chicken with this. Same time I see her mother walk up, come on, and the little girl come to me and me pick her up and she like to go and go back to her mother because she say, I don't know, okay, if buy a piece of chicken. I want to move. Yo, give me 20 pounds and put them in my little pocket. That the baby did I say to them. Okay, a piece of chicken you can buy. But no have baby. A ball of the whole is a mile today. A good thing said a good Samaritan pass and give me 20 pounds because it will be a nice. You have to buy an ear plug for 1 year and you don't get that chicken that today. I saw a baby I grumble I say. But upon the chain, I may say about 5 or 6 teenage boy I give trouble upon the chain. I may get up and go right over there, go bully them and bad them up and kick them down and fly kick them in the throat. And just say, behave on yourself on the chain. That day they made them on my life. And I know me hype or act or pretend to me up life, but genuine go over the gutter and say, you don't be able to say and sit and ask them for the people them chain. So it's very ironic that you and the crocodile is such a close friend and you don't think. Let me tell you something. You see, if me and your friend, I'm going to tell you this right now. And for everybody who on the line live, I want to take this palm board. You see, if me and you a friend and something happened to my picnic, you don't ask me, me and you are no friend again. You hear me? I tell you now? If me and you a friend and you hear something happened to my child and you don't ask me, you can put the friendship on pause. Not even put it on pending, put it on pause. And a friendship they done right there, so. So the fact that him a go come tell me, say him don't think a film place. If you go ask what happened to Jayden, it make me suspicious, brother. I'm not growing a car and tell you, it make me very suspicious. His mouth is the closest person to the family. And him said to us, when Jayden was alive, Andre never did do nothing. I wonder if you know I hear me and say to you. Him coming at the box, come say this out of his mouth. Say when Jayden was alive, Andre never do nothing for him. Thank you very much, Rudy. Thank you very much, my darling. And you are so close to the family. Till you get your hush money at Christmas time. I mean your present money at Christmas time. But you know, feel say you can ask what happened to Jayden. You see your boy? You see your tongue one cut out of your mouth and pepper. That me I try to tell you. Me want to ask all of the community them in Jamaica one question before I go to my bed. Lisa, where you going for your mama? I want to ask one question. What is the reason when a child has been molested or hurt or abused in our community, people are say they're afraid to talk because they're afraid of their life? Can anybody explain that situation to me? When a child gets hurt in our community, the people they must say them can't talk, them afraid to talk because them fear for them life. And I am gonna be honest with you all, I never can understand that. I never can understand that. Them a go and like say I jack one man, I jack one of them bring struck there and thief out 10 million out of it. So if I go inform pan a man 10 million, we might go use by one Ferrari or so, you can't get in a problem for that. But the life of one of the most vulnerable in a society has been taken away or abused, and people feel like say they can't see and talk. Let me tell you something. We Jamaicans, some of us are one of the most careless people that God put on this land. Some of we Jamaicans we are very careless. I'm going to tell you now, because everything I say, I don't just say it because I can chat. I say it with a purpose and a cause. When I was growing up in Jamaica, there was 3 things that you couldn't do. Right? 3 things you couldn't do when I was growing up in Jamaica. You couldn't be a bowcat, or you couldn't be gay, or you couldn't be an informer. That was the 3 rules and regulations and law that I grew up on. And let me tell you something, people. You see, anybody who make them a 3 law there, I want shit in a plate. Anybody where make those 3 law is a big shit in a plate. Let me tell you something. Majority of Jamaican men now are batty boys. Majority of Jamaican men are batty boys. And let me tell you something. I don't have a problem with the next person or them live them life. Me nah burn them out in a no way, shape or form. And if you're gay and me are your friend, me and you still are gonna be friends when me find out say you're gay. Just don't bring your gayness to me. Simple as that. I don't care if you want yam shit. I feel prerogative that. Me no business. But they oppressed me so long in Jamaica. They make we not have no tolerance in Jamaica. And so till it spill over to what we are seeing today. Because if you see a man or a woman, brother, you have to go chat. If you see a man take away a little pitney, you have to go chat. If you see a man abuse a little pitney, you have to go chat. Go run your mouth like river. But because of the colonial past we under, you're not fit inform. You're not fit be gay. You're not fit be bow cat. Them the days are gone. Time have changed. Things have moved on. Tell them again, Andrew. Tell them again. We are living in modern days now. And the modern days we in no more. Them days are modern days. We are living in modern time now. You see something, just make sure you say something. And don't bother because you are going to be the judge of what you say. You could have been the smallest thing and you're not sure. Say something. Because you just might save a life. You might just save a family from a lifetime of heartache and pain and grief. Because let me tell you something, people. That's why when you see me now cuss the mother them, you know. When you notice me not cuss the mother them? When you notice that?